If your kiln is getting the fault can't reach vacuum, then you've come to the right place. Here we have the fault and couldn't get any vacuum. But if you get the fault and get some vacuum, then you may have a small leak or vacuum pump problem. In this video, we are going to focus on a big leak. If you think you have a small leak, then see our other video titled, "Do I Have a Leak?" The number one reason for a big leak is the door seal. The door seal is a wearable component that doesn't last forever and can develop a leak over time. Start the kiln, and while the pump is running, it may be possible to hear and/or find the leak. Using a piece of paper can aid in discovering where the leak is. You could also try using some petroleum jelly. Again, with the vacuum running, this can help discover where the leak is since it will get sucked in. If you are still having trouble, try putting the jelly all around the seal, covering the entire area. A link for a replacement door seal kit can be found in the description of this video. The second most common reason for a big leak is a problem with the drain and/or vacuum release valves. If either or both are stuck open or they have failed open. If the black handle is parallel to the pipe, then it is open. If the valve did stick, then it may have tripped the circuit breaker that powers it. Be sure to power off the kiln before resetting any breakers. A stuck valve may need to be actuated manually. You will need 2 hands to press and hold the black button while moving the handle with the other. We hope this helped. Thanks for watching.